Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my current favorites, beauty and non-beauty. We have a little bit of skincare. We have a little bit of coffee because I'm going to show you guys my favorite coffee combination at the moment. And obviously we're going to talk beauty, aka makeup. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, if you do like this type of content, make sure you give it a thumbs up. By giving it a thumbs up, it tells YouTube like, hey, I like this type of content, keep recommending it, and so you will see me more on your page. If you want to see my face more on your page, make sure you also subscribe to my channel so you never miss any of my videos, and turn on your little notification bell so you can stay updated every time I upload. So with that said, grab your coffee. I have mine ready. I got a little too coffee excited today, so we have a little too much, but that's okay. That's the only caffeine I'm drinking all day. And let's go ahead and jump into my current favorites. Okay, let's go ahead and start with my current beauty favorites. Actually, let's go ahead and start with my coffee. This is a coffee that I've been drinking non-stop. I've been making my own coffee at home for the past month and a half or so. I am a huge coffee lover, you guys. Like, I love hot coffee, cold coffee, chai tea latte with a splash of espresso. Like, anything that's like coffee, I am all for. So a few months ago when we were in quarantine, I was like, okay, obviously Starbucks isn't open, so I gotta come up with some ideas and start making my own coffee at home. So I'm gonna show you guys the coffee that I'm currently drinking. I go back in between this brand and the actual Starbucks brand. So the one that I'm currently taking or drinking right now is the Stok Cold Brew coffee. This one is the unsweetened black. I love this stuff because you can still taste the coffee. I feel like the medium and the light one, for me, I don't like it because it tastes like too watered down, you know? And I also really, really love the Starbucks. I think it's also the dark version or the black version, and this is also, and it's also unsweetened. I don't get my coffee so sweetened because I like to add my own personal creamers. The creamer that I'm using right now is just one from the Walmart brand, and it's like a sweet creamer. Really like that one. I'm waiting to finish that one up so I can buy like a pumpkin spice latte creamer. Because I do get my coffees unsweetened, I like to buy some sort of a syrup. But now this one you can actually find at your local Starbucks. These are about $12. And honestly, they last you a long time. I've had this well over almost 2 months. I'm barely running out. That's what I'm sipping on today. Some yummy coffee. Let me know in the description box down below what your favorite syrup and coffee is so I can check it out next. And also your favorite creamer, because I know with the seasons we get so many yummy flavors, so please let me know. I'm gonna get this out of the way because I feel like I'm gonna get tons of questions on what lip combo I am using right now, and I am obsessed with this. So I'm usually not a huge gloss girl. Like, I love a gloss, but I have to be in the mood for a gloss. But I recently made a trip to Sephora, and I've been dying to try the Artist Couture lip glosses, lipsticks, and their little diamond dazzlers. I don't know why I didn't pick up the diamond dazzler, but I did pick up 2 of his lipsticks. So I picked up the shade Saucy Gal, which is this one right here. And oh my gosh, this formula, you guys, I've never seen anything like it. Excuse me. It is super creamy, super velvety on the skin, on the lips. It glides on like butter. It's super pigmented, like literally 1 or 2 swipes, you're good. And then on top of that, I am wearing his lip gloss in this shade Uncensored. When I went into Sephora, the girl was swatching these for me, and when she swatched these next to each other, I was like, that is it. That is a perfect combination. So that is Uncensored. Also, this lip gloss is so yummy. Like, the formula is buttery. It kind of reminds me of the NYX Butter Gloss, but a little bit more softer. I don't know. The NYX Butter Glosses are a little bit thicker, which I love. I love those glosses. Let me mention some skincare products that I've been obsessed with. So if you guys saw my video a few months ago, I did a Walmart hygiene haul, and I talk about the products that I like to use to keep my body smelling good, my skin looking healthy and glowy. And out of everything that I've bought, there's 2 standout products that have just been my obsession, that as soon as I finish these, I'm definitely going to buy them again. And I am talking about the L.A Cleansing and Firming Plus Collagen Body Wash. Okay, I need to slow down because I am running out of breath. This child literally has no more room in my belly, but yet he is still there, you guys. I am what? 30, I will be 40 weeks in just a few days. Let me check. And this child's like, nope, I want to stay in my mommy's belly. I refuse to come out. Everybody's so anxious to meet him, like even me, obviously. I am 39 weeks and 2 days, you guys. So I will be 40 weeks very soon, and Mama's out of breath all the time. But as I was saying, this has been my go-to formula, my go-to combo for my body smelling so delicious, you guys. Love this stuff. Oh my gosh, especially after you do a scrub. You wash your body, you shave, and then you apply this last. I'm telling you, you guys, this lingers on my skin until the next day. It's like my skin is still full of lotion. It smells, it feels so good. My husband always compliments me when I wear this. Like, he's like, babe, you smell really good. I'm like, what are you trying to say? So moving on, I wanted to mention a few skincare products, or a few, yeah, I guess they're considered skincare products. So I recently got sent these super sponges by the brand Super Sponge. They are the ones that came out with a sponge that has the silicone on the bottom and then the beauty blender on the top. So they sent these over to me, and I have been loving them so much. I also have here the original one by the Makeup Eraser, and literally you can use them for everything. So what I like to do is I go in with a cleanser, an oil cleanser. So I go in and I will remove all my makeup with my oil cleanser, and I'll go in with either this one or this one. I'll get it wet and I'll remove my makeup, and literally it wipes your face clean. I cannot get over these. Like, I recommend these to anybody that will listen to me, that wears makeup, like heavier makeup like me. You guys are going to love these. Even if you don't wear heavy makeup, like just to remove like your skincare from the day before or anything like that. I love these, and they're reusable. You can throw them in the washer over and over again. What I like to do is I like to wash them as soon as I'm done. I usually wash them with jabon sote or with my body wash or my bar of soap that I have in my bathroom. So love that. I'll actually use these when I'm wearing very minimal makeup, or if I'm actually not wearing any makeup that night and I'm too lazy to like wash my face. I will use this one. I'll get it wet and I'll go in with my Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. I stopped using this one for a few months because I had another one from a different brand. And when I bought this again, I was like, I am never going back to anything else. This is seriously one of the best micellar cleansing waters I've ever tried. So I'll just dump it on here, and then I'll just like kind of clean my face from any dirt and oils that I have, put on my lotions, and then go to sleep. Or in the mornings when I wake up, I don't like to go in right away with makeup. I like to make sure that my skin is breathing and it doesn't have any residue from the night before. So again, I will grab this one, use my micellar cleansing water, cleanse my face, remove any excess oils, dirts, or anything that you have from the night before, and you're good to go. In the mornings, I like to go in with a moisturizer whether I am wearing makeup or not. So the moisturizer or the sunscreen that I've been really into, oh my gosh, this is so good. It is the new Fenty Skin, I don't know what it's called actually, but it's this one right here. I got this in PR when they first launched, and I felt like so honored. I was like, what? You guys sent that to me? I've been really, really liking this. Oh my gosh, you guys, I cannot emphasize how beautiful this makes your skin look. And as you can see, it leaves your skin with this beautiful, radiant, and natural glow. And it smells so delicious. Like, it almost reminds me of like baby lotion, but not as strong as baby lotion. It absorbs right into the skin, and oh my gosh, your skin, if you're not wearing anything, literally is glowing from the heavens. It is such a bomb product. If you have been looking for a good sunscreen, definitely recommend this, guys. It is so worth it. I wanted to give a quick shout out to some brushes that I recently tried. So this is something that is more recent to like my makeup collection, but I have been absolutely loving these, and you're gonna have to excuse me because they're dirty. It is that time of week to wash them. So if you guys saw my full face testing out Beauty Creations products, it was definitely not a disappointing video, but I didn't expect for me to not really like as many products. But where there's a negative, there's always a positive. So the brushes that I ordered are the must-have BEBELLA brush set or something like that. I have more, but My room is a mess right now and I'm not trying to look for them. Every time I've been doing my makeup, I have reached for these every single time. Those have been my favorite brushes. I just wanted to mention them to you guys because I think the quality is really good. I have washed them and I have not experienced any shedding, and for the price, it's really good. So, oh my gosh, these are perfection together. So this is the Too Faced Born This Way Undetectable Medium to Full Coverage Foundation. I am in the shade Warm Beige, and then I've been mixing the Wet n Wild Dewy foundation, and this one is in Golden Beige. Wow, these foundations together, you guys, are so bomb. It's what I have on my skin right now. It's like a little bit glowy, a little bit dewy, a little bit matte. It just looks really, really nice. So definitely give these a try if you guys own these foundations, because honestly together they're just like a match made in heaven. Also, really quickly, I wanted to give a shout out to this individual little brush. I actually saw Juicy Jazz using this for her nose contour, and I was like, excuse me, I need this. I texted her and I was like, girl, what was that brush that you use to contour your nose? Because she has the cutest little perky nose and I love snatching my nose. You guys know that. So I found this one at TJ Maxx. This is the Japanese 726 brush. And this is actually an all over shader brush. Oh my gosh, this brush has made my nose contouring so much easier, you guys. It's so perfect because it just gets right in between where you want to apply the nose contour. You just, and it snatches your nose right up. If you guys see this at TJ Maxx and you love contouring your nose, definitely pick it up because it's totally worth it. Talking about nose snatching, I wanted to mention a highlighter that I'm wearing on the tip of my nose right now. Ever since I tried this one out, I have been obsessed with it. I have not been able to put it down. This is by the brand Private Society Cosmetics, and this is their Glow Getter Unlock Your Beauty highlighter. As you can see, you are getting 2, 4, 6, 8 highlighters, and they are all so gorgeous. I love that they have an array of shades, so this is going to suit anybody from like light skin to like darker skin. So I'm going to show you guys my favorite combo. I like to go in with Jackpot, Trophy Wife, and I'm going to show you guys. I apply it right here and I'll just sweep it back and forth. I mean, I already have a ton of highlighter on. And then if I really want to intensify it, I'll go in with a little bit of Star-Crossed. And I'll just apply that right here. And it literally gives me such a beautiful glow. Oh my goodness, like I can't get over the quality of this highlighter and how many you are getting. If you guys can see, my blush is like really like peachy and very glowy, and that's because I've been mixing 2 products. I guess I've been really into mixing products lately. So what I like to do is I go in with my Rimmel London Maxi Blush. This is in the shade Sweet Cheeks. It is the perfect tangerine orange shade. If you are my skin tone, you're gonna love this one. And even if you're lighter than me, I think you can still get away with this blush. It is so pretty. So what I like to do is I will apply it obviously on the cheekbone area, and then once that is in, let me grab my blush or my brush and apply a little bit more. Like I definitely don't need it, but I'll just apply it. And it just gives me a beautiful glow, right? Well, after I've applied this, I have been going in with this little Milani Luminoso blush. Oh my gosh, I'm usually not a blush topper girl, but the combination of these two, you guys, is just a must. And I'll literally just apply it on the top of the cheeks. And it gives your skin this beautiful, like, glow from within. Oh my goodness, like, I love this combo so much. So those are all the products, you guys, that I've been currently obsessed with. A little bit of skincare, a little bit of lifestyle, a little bit of like hygiene, I guess you want to call it. So definitely let me know what products you've been loving for the past few months and what I need to try out so that I've been sleeping on. There's so much stuff coming out, especially because of the holidays. You guys always know that brands are just like taking out and coming out with stuff left and right. So definitely let me know what I should check out next. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you guys enjoyed my current beauty favorites and non-beauty favorites. I love you all. Stay safe. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.